Johnny, we are late. Hurry and let's go.
Mommy, I am coming. Just a moment.
I am waiting. Do you know I am AI generated? Would you like to know the AI tool that brought me to life? Don't worry, Auntie Debbie will show you everything you need to know.
You know something? Forget about View 3 and all those paid app, and let me show you how I use this free AI tool to animate this video that you just watched in just some few minutes. Okay, so we are going to use our phone. So for you to have access to this AI tool, go to your Play Store and type Grok AI. Now click on the download button to download Grok AI to your phone. That's how you can be able to have access to it. And sign up with your Gmail account. Now what you're going to do is to open to Grok AI. We already have it on the phone. So just open to the AI platform. Now this is how the interface is. We have create videos. We also have open camera, voice mode, and other features on this platform. So what you're going to do is to click on the create videos. Now you can see what I told you. Can you see the free here? Yes, when I say free, I mean it's free. Okay, so we're going to click on the create videos here. You can also generate images here as well. So the first thing you're going to do is to generate an image here to see the outcome. So let's get a prompt from ChatGPT. So we're going to copy one of the prompt from ChatGPT. I generated all this thing in order for us to use for the tutorial. So let's copy this prompt and go to Grok AI. So there's Grok AI and enter this prompt here. So just enter the prompt here. You don't need to do any other thing. Enter the prompt here and click on the generate button. So let's wait for the outcome. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. So you can see, so you're going to click on the download button to download this image to our device. So let's click on the download and click on this one too and click on the download button. Wow, just look at the image, clean and nice. And I also like the resolution. Just look at it. As I'm zooming it, you can see the image is clear. So what we're going to do is to copy another prompt from ChatGPT and try it here. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Okay, so let's copy this one and go to Grok AI again. We are going to enter another prompt here before then add generate to it, because yes. So now let's hit on the command button and see what this AI is going to give us. Oh, wow. I love this. Love this. Look at it. I think I've seen something different here. Look at it. When we generated the previous one, I didn't see any watermark. Okay, there's a tiny watermark here. This is the first time I'm seeing watermark on the images. Okay, maybe I didn't take a critical look at it, but there's a tiny watermark there that you can deal with. Okay, so look at the image that we requested, and I think I love these images. So what I'm going to do is to click on the download button and download this image. Now let's try another one. Again, we have another prompt here with ChatGPT. So we're going to copy the next prompt, copy it like this. Let's go back to Grok AI and enter the prompt. So we're going to enter this prompt here. Let's see what you're going to get. Okay, wow, this is so nice. So what you're going to do is that we're going to hit on the download button and download these two images. Okay, so this is what you do to generate images with Grok AI. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to test another AI tool to see if you're going to get the same quality of images or the same image style Grok has provided. So for us to do that, we're going to try Google ImageFX. Open to your browser and type ImageFX in your browser like this, and click on the option that comes with Google Labs. So we're going to click on the Google Labs like this. So this is where we are going to enter our prompts. We are going to paste the prompt of the African mother checking her time here and click on the generate button. That's the blue button here, to see if you are going to get something close to what Grok provided for us. So you can see a clear difference between these two images. So this is what ImageFX provided us. We're going to click on the download button to download this again, and then click on the download button to download. Now, one thing I like about ImageFX is that it will give you 4 options. Just choose the one you like. Now let's move on to why we are here, or why you click on this video. So we are going to click on create video button like this, and import some of the images that we generated using Grok AI. So we are going to animate those images. So come down here like this and click on the plus sign to look for those images. So where should we start from? Let's start with this African mama. The moment you import your image, it will automatically animate your image for you. You can wait for it to see what it's going to do after the animation, or the outcome, or how it's going to animate the image. If you don't like it, you can customize your animation. Wow, I really like this animation. Let's click on the download button first. Now what we're going to do is to customize it. So come to this box here and click on and enter your prompt. So what do you want the animation to do? So let's enter our prompt here. She checked the time and walked to the door. Let's hit on the create button to see whether she's actually going to walk to the door. Do you know, apart from animating your images, you can also lip sync your images using this AI tool. Let's give it a try. So what we're going to do is to click on the back. What we're going to do is click on the plus button here and import the same image. So we're going to import it and lip sync this image. So whatever you want the AI to see, you can put it in the form of a text here. So let's enter the prompt. If you want the AI to lip sync your speech or your text for you, you have to put it in the writing like this. So whatever you want the AI to say, put it in the quote, okay, for the AI to be able to understand what you want your image to say, or you want your character to say. So this is the prompt I typed in here. She checked the time and walked to the door and said, "Oh my God, we are late. Johnny, hurry, we are late." Now, the sentence or the speech I provided sound or seems too long, but let's see if it can be able to lip sync all the words here. Sometimes if it's too long, it might not be able to lip sync everything. It will cut it short, but let's try it. If it cuts it short, then we are going to divide it into 2. So we'll hit on the generate button and see if it's going to lip sync this text for us. Like I said, the text is too much for the AI to animate or to lip sync because the animation is just 6 seconds. What we're going to do is reduce the text. So let's go back and say, "Oh my God, we are late. Johnny, hurry, we are late." So let's say, so we have taken the walk from the door from there to take the activities out. And I've also reduced the speech. So we have, "Oh my God, we are late. Johnny, hurry," and hit on the create button. So let's see if it will be able to adhere to this prompt. So this time it couldn't lip sync, but remember this is AI. Sometimes there will be some few glitches here and there. We are going to hit on the create button again to see if it's going to pick the speech for us.
"Johnny, we are late. Hurry and let's go. Johnny, we are late. Hurry and let's go."
So I hope you've seen how it has been able to lip sync this animation for us. It took us some few times of generation before it was able to get the message well. So what you're going to do is to click on the download button to download this animation to your device. Now you can do the same thing to animate all your images depending on how you want it. Let's try to see if we can animate Johnny too as well. So for us to animate Johnny, let's go to click on this button here and bring Johnny. Let's click on the back, click on this button and import Johnny. So let's go with Johnny. Johnny was preparing her bag for school. So this is a prompt we are going to use to animate Johnny part. He put his books into the bag and said, "Mommy, I'm coming, just a moment."
Mommy, I am coming. Just a moment.
This was so smooth and nice. So this time we ran this prompt just once and we got it right. Good. So this is what you do to generate your images with Grok AI and animate all your images with Grok AI. So now let me show you some of the animations that I have generated using Grok AI. Then you can tell how good this AI tool is. So let's see. This is one of the animations you saw. This is an image of me, and you can clearly see what I'm doing here. I animated everything. So now let's try the next one. Let's look at the next one.
Do you know I am AI generated?
So let me show you the prompt I used to generate this particular animation. So I said she's holding the cup of coffee and said, "Don't worry, Auntie Debbie will show you everything you need to know." So you can see for this particular AI, whatever you want your character to say, you have to put it in quotes for the AI to understand what you want the character to say. Now, if you want to use it to generate long form videos, then you have to break it into pieces, because the highest you can get with this particular animation is 6 seconds. So you have to break it into pieces, and don't make your speech too long, because it might not be able to capture everything within the 6 seconds. You understand? So I use the same procedure to generate the rest of the animation. This is one of the animations I generated, all using this free AI tool. When you are done with everything, just click on the download button here and download this animation to your device and start using it. So what do you think about this AI tool? Is it something incredible? Is it something interesting? Is it something you are going to give it a try? Give it a try and let me know that in the comment section. Share your result with us. Share your feedback with us in the comment section. If you also have any problem or you want me to review any other AI tool, just let me know that in the comment section. Mention the name of the AI tool and I'm going to review it or walk you through how to use it step by step. Now don't forget to give me a like and also click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Share the video with families and friends who needs the video. Until then, watch the previous video I created on how to create African folktale stories using your phone and also free AI tools. See you in the next video. Bye.